Prepare to get your head blown by NFTs if you thought navigating the thousands of different cryptocurrencies was difficult. Millions of these one-of-a-kind digital assets are available for purchase, giving consumers ownership of digital stuff, including photographs, movies, and music. Continue watching this video to discover everything there is to know about NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are a type of cryptocurrency that has quickly gained popularity. But why are so many individuals interested in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies buying NFTs? Because of this trait of non-replicability. NFTs are one-of-a-kind assets that prove digital ownership of something linked to the token. It could be an image, audio, video, or a domain name, among other things. The Ethereum blockchain is the most widely utilized network for developing and selling NFTs, and it is responsible for some of the most well-known NFTs. However, not all NFTs are digital art. The NBA and Dapper Labs started working on the NBA Top Shot project in 2019, which sells the best basketball moments as NFTs. These brief videos are available as NFTs, trading cards for fans to purchase. A LeBron James highlight recently sold for $210,000, while more common cards can sometimes be found for less than $10. Not all NFTs, however, are equally valuable, and inventors should thoroughly investigate the NFT and the community that supports it before making any purchases. Cryptopunks, as previously said, is the most expensive NFT collection. They were released in 2017 and are widely considered to be the first popular NFT compilation. These digital artworks were handed away for free at the time of minting. To obtain one, all users must connect their digital wallet to the website and pay the Ether gas fees. The value of NFTs is mostly dictated by the market's willingness to pay. If you buy one as an investment, you're basically betting that someone will ultimately be willing to pay more than you paid for it, because NFTs are based on digital smart contracts, which run in the background when specific conditions are met. If an artist's NFT changed ownership again, they may make a provision that gave them a portion of the proceeds. A buyer who supports a struggling creator with an NFT purchase, on the other hand, may be eligible for a share of future earnings from other projects. Other value propositions have been incorporated into NFTs by the creators. For example, Gary Vaynerchuk's VFriends NFTs include free admission to his VCon business conference. Because of the overall volatility of the cryptocurrency market, NFT investments can be exceedingly dangerous. Another unanticipated concern is that, due to a susceptible community and a general lack of liquidity in the NFT marketplaces, an NFT collection can lose value over time. There's always the possibility that you won't be able to sell your NFTs. That means you won't make any money from the NFT. So, when it comes to NFTs, these are the things to keep in mind. NFT properties. NFTs are frequently in the form of collections. Take a look at Mechaverse or the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Individual avatar NFT artworks, each with its own set of attributes, make up these NFT collections. More attributes can occasionally lead to a better value, but that isn't always the case. Simpler avatars, such as the basic Bored Ape NFT, are perhaps the most valuable. NFT projects, like most cryptocurrencies, have Twitter accounts and Discord channels. They use these to share project-related information. Finding projects with medium-sized Twitter communities is critical. Another important factor is engagement. Because most projects acquire bot accounts to create a false online community, you'll want to double-check that this isn't the case with yours. Check to see if the accounts they communicate with are legitimate. This may be a time-consuming operation, but as you review more projects, you will be able to detect legitimate accounts more readily. The price performance. Checking the seller's account is usually a smart idea if you want to confirm whether or not your chosen NFT is a good investment. You can check through their prior sales to see how much their items have sold for. After that, you can scroll down the table to see how much the same NFTs sold for a few weeks or months ago. The floor price, or the lowest price at which NFTs are traded, is at the bottom of the value range. NFT liquidity and market volume. It's vital to remember that NFTs don't have the same liquidity as crypto coins, because you can't convert an NFT into regular cash as rapidly as you can with cryptocurrencies. This could be a difficulty for anyone looking to profit from them. To boost your NFT's liquidity rates, several experts recommend fractionalizing them, which is splitting your NFT into smaller pieces. In addition to liquidity, the NFT industry's market volume must be considered. NFT market volume is around $10 billion at the time of writing, and its increase or fall is highly reliant on the type of NFTs acquired on a regular basis. This will give you a decent understanding of how NFT prices fluctuate and whether they correspond to what you want to see in your selected NFT in the future. Other platforms provide similar information, as well as other statistics that you may not be able to get on the market. That's all we've found for you today, guys. Now you know exactly how to invest in NFTs to make a lot of money. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you're subscribe up. Take precautions. Goodbye.